Number 3.
VTech DS61512 2-line cordless. Like many cordless phones, the VTech DS6151 comes with an answering machine. But the VTech DS6151 includes 2 answering machines for 2 different phone lines. Most of us won't need a system like this. In summary, 2 lines, 2 answering machines and 1 handset. Wait, it only comes with 1 handset. Yes, but you can add 11 more if you want.
Number 2.
AT&T CL82407 DEX 6.04 handset. If you have a big home or office, consider the AT&T CL82407. It has an antenna design that aims to have the best range around. It also has an answering machine and caller ID announce, so you know who's calling before you even pick up the phone. Other features like automatic robocall blocking work well even from a distance. Answering system: yes speakerphone, yes Bluetooth, yes call waiting, yes caller ID, yes.
Number 1.
VTech CS6719-22 handset. This 2 handset system is under $40, but it doesn't come with an answering machine. It's up to you to decide if that is a plus or minus. The VTech system does come with technology to keep your calls loud and clear. Both handsets have large, backlit screens which are easy to read. The phone system is expandable up to 5 total handsets. We like this as a budget option because it's a multi-handset system with nice extras and a low price tag. Answering system: no speakerphone, yes Bluetooth, no call waiting, yes caller ID, yes.
Check out the description for more information in latest price.